Hello beautiful! We know dark circles under your eyes are a common problem and they can be tough to get rid of. But don't worry, we've got the solution. So, if you're looking for a way to get rid of dark circles and hyperpigmentation, this video is for you. There are three main categories when speaking about dark circles, and we believe it is important to know them all. First of all, we have purple or bluish circles. This is caused by a thin layer of skin, causing you can easily see the underlying veins. And it can be more notorious on a fair skin tone and those with very little subcutaneous fat, supporting the area under the lower lid. This pigmentation can increase with lack of sleep, because when we're tired, the venous congestion increases and the fluid build-up leads to pooled blood in those superficial blood vessels, making the skin appear darker. Then we found an extra pigment production. It's as simple as some people producing more pigment in the eye area, which can cause a general darkening of the skin under the eyes and on the lids. And last but not least, facial sunken under eye dark circles are the ones that have a deep line that goes from the inner corner down to the cheek. They are normally caused by genetics, aging, and also fat loss. These can cause shadows on the eye, causing dark circles more apparent. But wait, there is a product. One single step that can effectively help you to go from this to this and get rid of dark circles. It's called the Architect. And to be honest, we're really proud of this product for, many reasons. One of them is this video. Its effectiveness on dark circles due to three amazing ingredients. Caffeine. It has a great decongestion power by stimulating blood circulation and minimizing dark circles and puffiness. And now, the ones with hard names. Lespedeza capitata leaf steam extract. It's a great circadian cycle regulator that reduces signs of fatigue, increases skin radiance and homogeneity by 35% and reduces puffiness by 18%. Hawthorn flower extract, rich in flavonoids that improve circulations, relieving inflammation and redness. 19% reductions of dark circles under the eyes. A total superstar. It's amazing, and we'll lend you a link down below so you can check this and other benefits of the Architect and its little brother, the Lift. They are a huge discovery, believe us. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please, if you like this video and you want to be part of the skincare-aholic community, subscribe down below. I will see you in the next video.